Okay, I want to show you how supposedly simple it is to use the Concept, Centurion Concept helmet with a few of the accessories. First of all, I'll show you that this one stays on the head. To assemble the ear defenders, these are ear clips. Just simply clip it in like that. Clip it in like that. And when it's time to put in the face shield, you have the slots here. That's where the black part here is called a carrier. So you have these ones, the legs here, you slot them into there on either side. Like that on one side. That on the other side. Now this is ready, so you can use it. First of all, this is just protection. The white stuff here comes off. You can use this carrier with all the different types of shields. So this one is a clear shield. You see that the shield stays up even though I work the head. I can use the shield without the earmuffs. I can use the earmuffs without the shield, or I can use it as a combo like that.